Ever feel like your finances are stuck on a runway, perpetually waiting for takeoff? You're not alone. Between subscriptions, hidden fees, and that ever-growing list of bills, it can be tough to get your financial rocket off the ground. That's where Rocket Money comes in. But have you ever stopped to think, who's the brain behind this helpful financial tool? Today, we're blasting off on a mission to uncover the story behind Rocket Money, its founder, and the inspiration that ignited this financial powerhouse. So, buckle up and get ready for a ride through the world of fintech, financial technology, and the entrepreneur who dared to disrupt the status quo. Our story begins not with spaceships, but with a down-to-earth observation. The culprit? Annoying subscription fees. We've all been there. You sign up for a free trial of that new music app, only to realize a year later you've been paying for it without even using it. Frustrating, right? This common pain point struck a chord with a man named Jake Cortez. A self-proclaimed budgeting enthusiast, yes, those exist, Jake wasn't just annoyed by these hidden fees, he was determined to do something about them. Now, Jake wasn't your typical Wall Street hotshot. He came from a background in marketing and technology, with a keen eye for spotting problems and a passion for crafting solutions. This unique blend of experience would prove to be the fuel for Rocket Money's future success. Driven by his desire to help people take control of their finances, Jake started brainstorming. He envisioned a platform that could not only track subscriptions, but also cancel them with ease. Imagine the power. No more unwanted charges, no more scrambling to decipher cryptic billing statements, just a simple, user-friendly way to manage those pesky recurring payments. The idea took root, and with the help of a talented team of developers and financial experts, Rocket Money was born. Launched in 2014, the platform quickly gained traction. People flocked to its user-friendly interface and the sheer convenience it offered. But Rocket Money didn't stop there. They saw a bigger picture, a universe of financial woes waiting to be tackled. They expanded their services, offering features like bill negotiation, identity theft protection, and even personalized financial advice. Today, Rocket Money stands as a testament to Jake Cortez's vision. It's a one-stop shop for all things financial management, empowering users to take charge of their spending, save their hard-earned cash, and finally, get their financial rockets soaring. So, the next time you hear the name Rocket Money, remember the story behind it. It's not just a company, it's the brainchild of an entrepreneur who dared to challenge the status quo and make personal finance a little less frustrating, a little more empowering. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. With tools like Rocket Money and a sprinkle of your own budgeting savvy, you can finally break free from the shackles of hidden fees and chart a course towards financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances rocketing towards success.